everybody, and my name's Joseph, and today I'm going to make a volcano erupt. The ingredients to make the volcano are vinegar, bicarbonate soda, and red dye. And for safety, we've got one pair of gloves to make sure that the volcano don't hurt our hands, and we got some goggles, just for safety, just for safety. And this is the setup we need. We need a background to make it look more gooder. We need some funnels to make it easier to put stuff in. And we need a volcano. When you have one, it's really small. But I put the camera really near to make it really big. And this is how you have to make the volcano erupt. First, 50 meters. Put 50 meters of vinegar in the volcano, and then add some red dye, and then carefully put some bicarbonate soda. Sorry if I got that wrong, guys. Yeah, and then that's all. I've just added the red dye and the vinegar. So now I'm going to finally add the bicarbonate soda. So this, that. I'm going to let it go down. It's a really long waiting progress, but I'm sure to tell you it's totally worth it. And we've just added, wow, the volcano is erupting! Oh my god, guys! Oh my god! Have you ever seen that before? I can't believe it! Okay, we're gonna get tons of likes. Please, people, give a like in the description, and I hope you love it.